Yeah, I got my Millennium Tour shirt on because that ain't gonna never happen again where it be these four young men again. Okay, not on one stage, no ma'am. So hey queens, it's your girl Ashley back with another video. Welcome back to Crown of Beauty, and today I'm going to be talking about Melanin Haircare yet again. Yes, Whitney aka Natural 85 has come out with her newest product from her collection, well, from her natural hair brand, and it's the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be trying this out today. I'm super excited. I actually pre-ordered this, I think in December, when she first released it, and it was shipped to me in mid to late January. So I'm going to try this out. So if you don't know the tea about this leave-in conditioner, it's not just a leave-in. It has up to 7 uses that you can actually do with this one product. So this is a 16.1 fluid ounce bottle. It's almost filled to the very top, and it's got this nice pump to it. So according to the promotion for this product, it says you can use it in 7 different ways. One, as a pre-poo, a detangler, a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, a deep conditioner, a styling cream, and to rehydrate throughout the week. It's kind of like a daily moisturizer. So that's pretty exciting that I feel like I'll be able to get a lot of use out of this product, and I'm going to be using it in today's video alongside of the Melanin Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend, which I'm excited. I didn't order this the first time when I got the twisting cream, but today I want to use these together, and I'm going to finish it off with the twist elongating style cream. So I'm going to use each and every one of her wash and styling products that she has, and we're going to get right into it. So I'm going to be using this as a deep conditioner slash pre-poo slash detangler, and I'm going to do it on my dry hair, my puff. Right now I feel like, why not knock out multiple things in one? That's the whole use, that's the whole purpose of a multi-use product. So let me smell it real quick. Whew. Very light smell, almost minty. Ooh, but it smells really good. I'm like that. It's not very fragranted, and of course, no sulfates, no parabens, silicones, mineral oils, stuff you can't pronounce. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is gently take off this little hair tie headband. And I'll probably put my hair into about 6 sections, and I'll show you guys that. Alright, so I got my hair in about 6 sections, and this is from a puff that I had probably for about 2 days. It's an old braid out that I used the Melanin Haircare Twist Elongating Cream for, because I was really like hoping they would go ahead and send me the leave-in conditioner, but I had to go ahead and do my hair. So I done made this number 7. Let me get my spray bottle. Alright, so I got my spray bottle here, and I'm just going to wet it down a little bit. Yeah, so I'm just hydrating it with some water just to give it a little slip, and that softened it up in itself. So let me open this. So I'm going to start with 2 pumps, I think. It's gliding on effortlessly. And I do smell the minty kind of scent or fragrance to it, but it's not strong. I almost feel like if my hair wasn't so, if my last hairstyle wasn't in my head for so long, I probably could have finger detangled with this. Actually, I almost can. So, but what I'm gonna do instead is take a wide tooth comb here and kind of detangle with it. It's feeling really good, lots of slip. As you can see, the comb is going right through it. I'm gonna do the other side of this section. So again, I'm spraying it down first, putting a little water into it. And then I got 2 pumps. And I'm gonna put it on this whole section. Kind of more so focusing on the ends. Then I might do another pump for the roots. So I'm gonna go back in with this wide tooth comb. This doesn't hurt at all. It's really softened the hair. I'm loving this. Okay. So right now I'm just gonna seal all of that moisture that I just put into my hair with the oil blend. The oil blend has sweet almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, biobab, all types of stuff, girl. It's not even open, but that's good. So in the packaging it doesn't spill or leak. So I'm sealing that moisture with this oil blend. And after I do all the rest of the sections, I'm going to put the oil all in my scalp, and then I'll deep condition under my soft bonnet dryer for probably about 15 minutes. But my hair is feeling very smooth, very soft, very moisturized. So I'm back. So I'm just about done with all the sections, but I wanted to show you in the back where my hair is a lot more coarse and kinky. It's feeling very nice, very soft. So now I'm just going to seal that in with a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to take my shower brush, my shower detangling brush, and just also do a second layer of detangling with this so that I won't have to do as much work in the shower when I wash my hair. Oh, it feels amazing. So, all my sections have the conditioner in it and sealed with the oil. And I want to give myself like a hot oil treatment because my scalp has really been itching lately and it needs some loving. So I'm going to, in no type of organized fashion, which is why I really like how this applicator is on this oil, because you can really distribute it exactly where you want to. And then I'm just going to kind of massage it into my scalp. Whew. Cannot wait to wash my hair. We'll do the back. Just give myself a little bit of a scalp massage. Really getting some blood circulating on the scalp. it all fit. So now I'm going to sit under the dryer, which I hate doing, but I really want to get back to deep conditioning my hair. In 2020, I'm trying to retain my length as much as possible, and just see what evolves. So I did sit under the soft bonnet dryer. I just want to see how my hair feels and looks before I get into the shower to like rinse it out. It's very soft. It is very soft. I would say I'm thoroughly impressed with this. I didn't really use a whole lot. I feel like as soon as I put the product into my hair, it started like fusing to it. So when I get in the shower, I'm just gonna rinse this out and then shampoo as normal. I'll condition with this, rinse it out, leave a little bit in so I can use it as a deep conditioner, and then I'll get started on twisting it up with this. So I feel so much better. I've got a clean scalp, I've got conditioned, soft, moisturized hair. It was just a wonderful experience. I would have brought the camera to the shower area, but it's just too much production, and I don't know if I can do that. But y'all, it's super soft and nourishing. It's still soft. So now what I'm going to do is twist it up using the Twist Elongating Cream, which I already have a video on that if you want to check the description box for that video. So again, this is my hair fresh out of the shower. It's very damp, but my hair porosity or hair type, it doesn't like stay curly as soon as I get out the shower. This is just how it looks, unless I put like a defining product on it, or that's why I usually just like braid it up, twist it up, whatever. But yeah, I'm loving the leave-in conditioner and loving all the multiple things you can do with the product. I really enjoyed you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you don't mind, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and I'll be back with more and more videos and great content for you guys. Bye, queens.